Hi, this is Ty Hyderali. I'm a plaintiff's lawyer with offices in New Jersey and New York, and we concentrate in the area of employment law. Well, New York, warehouse workers, you're about to get some increased rights if Governor Hochul signs a bill that's sitting on her desk into law, which is the Warehouse Workers Protections Act. And what this bill really targets is employees who have quotas. And what the bill recognizes is the fact that if you have quotas, you're subject to some enhanced burdens at work, right? You have to do your work in a very time-specific fashion to get a certain amount of output in every, whether it's every day, every hour, however the quota is set up at that workplace. And so what this bill sets to do is a couple of things. Number one, if you have a quota in place, you have to inform your employees in writing of what the quota requirements are. And if you change those requirements at some point in time, you have to give advance notice to your employees of the changes to the quota that's in place. And the bill has some very important provisions in it, specifically this one. You can have a quota in your place of employment, but it cannot interfere with an employee's rights or abilities to take a lunch break, a bathroom break, or other rest breaks. So if you have a quota and it interferes with an employee's rights to take one of those breaks, you've just violated this law. And if you take an adverse employment action, if you terminate the employee, drop their pay, discipline them, etc., within 90 days of the date that employee states there's a violation of their rights under this act, it's considered a presumptive violation of the statute. So in other words, employee complains that there's a violation of his or her rights under this statute. He wasn't allowed, for example, to take a lunch break. And a week later, employer says, you know what, we aren't so happy with you. You're done. You're terminated. Well, that employee now can go and pursue a claim against the company, and there's a presumption in favor of the employee that the company has violated the law. This is Ty Hyderali. Be safe and be well.